Greetings from Polynesia Beach. That is supposed to be a spontaneous nudist beach spot here in UMAG, Croatia. Very close to the Sipar archeological site. It has beautiful crystal water that you can see. And that is the archeological site over there. And it is a wonderful Sunday, beautiful sunny Sunday here in Umag, Croatia. It is 19 degrees Celsius in the air. Currently it is 10:55. So I had a bit of a sleepy morning as I was tired from having to do 50,000 steps yesterday. So today I wanted to check out Polynesia Nudist Beach that actually has parts of it for textile, and then the other one is clothing optional where I am right now. Not so many people today on the beach as it is obviously off season, but the water looks so stunning. And maybe later I can visit that archaeological site of Sipar over there that lies over here. The water is just fantastic. Yes, this is my second and last day here in Umag. I came here yesterday and I already visited 3 beaches yesterday. This is my 4th one, and I did walk from the center of Umag around 5 kilometers to get to Polynesia Beach. And I'm not really sure why is it called Polynesia. Maybe it reminds of Polynesia, the state in the Oceania. Quite nice indeed, quite nice, not gonna lie. So yeah, one of the clothing optional nudist beaches here in Umag, especially there along the coast here, as it is quite off without any apartments in this area, so it's perfect for nudist beach adventure. So let's get going then and enjoy a nice swim here at Polynesia Beach because the water looks amazing. The beach is, as you can see, pebbles and lots of greenery overall. And let's then get going with a swim in the Adriatic Sea here at Polynesia Beach at the archaeological site of Sipar. Yes, I just can't believe I'm doing beach adventure in October, mid-October, 12th October to be exact. And you can see how the beach looks like. It's amazing. And I'm all alone on this part of the beach at least. And perfect day for nudist beach adventure with Chris in Umag, Croatia. There were some tourists that went walking on that archaeological site over there. You need to walk through the water to get there. Maybe I will head there later after this episode. So, Polynesia Beach, Umag, time for Chris to go in for a swim. So, let's go. Oh my god, the water is amazing. It's so beautiful and nice indeed. Polynesia Beach, ladies and gentlemen, and the archaeological site of Sipar. So I have now only 3 hours left to explore Umag as I need to take the bus to Portorož in at 1:40 today. So not so much time left for me to enjoy Umag, but I will probably do one more beach adventure later for sure. But the water here is amazing, so I'm gonna be staying here for a longer swim as well. Let's dive in once again. It's amazing. The water is brilliant, around 22 degrees Celsius, and beautiful indeed. Polynesia Beach. The colors of the waters are amazing. Cool, then it's a wrap then from yet another beach adventure with Chris from UMAG, Croatia. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.